Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I am coming at you with a Dollar Tree haul. So let's get started. So first up, I purchased these cute little wall decals with Paw Patrol on them. I use these when I mail off items to my little nephew. He really loves Paw Patrol, and my sister said that when he received one of my boxes and it had Paw Patrol on the outside of the box, he was so excited and wanted to know how I knew to do that, how I knew that that was fun for him. So I thought that was cute. So I also picked up this foam and poster board adhesive by Beacon. I saw several crafters pick this up, so I thought I'd try it. You know, it's $1, see how well it works. And then I also picked up some decor pieces. I picked up some pumpkins, little ceramic pumpkins, the orange and the cream and the really light teal. I think that's the color. I thought these were so pretty. I always have to have a traditional orange pumpkin in my decorations, but I thought these two were really too pretty to resist. So got those. And then I picked up these wall decor pieces to paint. Got the little girl, and I know these are for the Day of the Dead, but I'm kind of going to incorporate them in my Halloween decorations. And I got the little guy. I'm going to see if my guy will decorate this while I decorate this, and so a little project for us to share. Man, that looks spooky on camera, doesn't it? Ooh. Okay, enough of that. And then I picked up some stickers. So a couple of my stores are putting out the fall decor as well as the Halloween decor, so I was able to pick up some stickers. I got these. It's 12 piece, and they are some really pretty colors, kind of metallic looking. Also picked up these, and it says Hocus Pocus for all of you fans out there of the movie. Super cute. It has this little beetle. Isn't that little beetle there? And I guess what Dollar Tree is doing for the Crafter Square, they put purple, so I guess you'll know that that means Halloween. So, and then I picked up this one, and this says Hocus Pocus. It's kind of hard to see, but it's there. And then I picked up this really cute one. This is super adorable with the little what is he, gosh, I can't think what he is. Well, ghost. Oh my gosh, I totally had a brain freeze there. And then talk about your cute little ghosts. Look at these. Boo. But first, coffee. And then he's just too cool. He's a CIA booth. Trick or treat. And say, I put a spell on you. Super cute. I really like this coffee cup with the crossbones on it. Wait, Dad, stay away. So for the fall stickers, I picked up these. It says, carve out some good times. Believe in the magic of harvest. Happy harvest. Really pretty. And these little stickers here. Really pretty. It says something grateful. It's too shiny. I can't tell. All right, the bottom. And then this one. This one is funny. It says the only thing getting lit this weekend are my scented candles. So cute. And then these. Some of these are layered. And then the gnomes. Seem like they're not going away. They're around for every holiday. Hey, that rhymed. Anyway, so got those stickers. And then I picked up this little jar from the Dollar Tree. It has this plastic lid, and I wanted it to put a decal on the front, and so I did. Isn't she cute? I used my Cricut Joy to print out this little decal. I just stuck it on here. I just thought this was adorable. So that's my haul. So if you stayed around for the entire haul, you get to hear the fun part. I'm going to have a giveaway. So this is for all my subscribers. You have to be subscribed to win, 18 years or older in the U.S. Sorry if you're not in the U.S. And you're wondering what you will win. Well, you're going to win all the stickers that I showed you. So these cute little ghosts, the pumpkin with the ghost, the Hocus Pocus ones, and the one for kind of like Day of the Dead, and the cute harvest ones, the gnomes, and then the other stickers for the pumpkins. So if you're interested in winning these, just simply tell me in the comments below to enter me. You don't have to even say enter me, just let me know that you want to be entered into the giveaway. I hope to have the drawing this Wednesday. If not, I'll wait until next week. Won't be able to do it after Wednesday. So if I get enough people who indicate they want to be in the drawing, I may do it Wednesday, but probably next week. Probably, I don't know, next Thursday maybe. So anyway, just keep watching my channel to see if you won. I will eventually have the drawing. I just have a lot to do this week and next week. So thanks for watching my channel. Thanks for subscribing. And if you'd like this video, give it a thumbs up. And I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.